What's the meaning of adjectival? Adjectival. 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 The word adjectival is an adjective that relates to or functions as an adjective. It is used to describe nouns, pronouns, or other parts of speech in a sentence by adding information about their attributes, qualities, or characteristics. Adjectives can be used to modify color, size, shape, or any other aspect of the noun being described. A sentence that includes adjectives tends to be more descriptive and vivid, as they help to paint a more complete picture of the subject. By using adjectives, one can provide greater detail and meaning to their writing, making it more interesting and engaging for the reader.